Welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing. I produce videos daily covering a wide variety of cloud topics with a focus on networking. Let's understand this question. Your company needs to deploy a cluster with more than 70,000 nodes in a single subnet. This is a massive scale requirement that pushes the boundaries of typical cloud networking. Let me walk you through why this is challenging and what the best solution is. The key here is understanding CIDR notation and how subnet sizes work in GCP. CIDR and subnet fundamentals. Before we dive into the solution, let's quickly review CIDR notation. A /15 subnet provides twice as many IP addresses as a /16 subnet. Since a /16 subnet will not be sufficient for your needs, you need at least a /15. In GCP, the default VPC comes with pre-configured subnets, typically /20 in size, which only provides 4096 addresses. This means we need to make significant changes to accommodate your cluster. Let's analyze the options carefully. Option 1 suggests merging two subnets, but GCP doesn't allow merging existing subnets. This is a fundamental limitation of the platform. Option 2 mentions changing the default VPC to custom mode and resizing. While you can convert to custom mode, you cannot resize subnets in the default VPC after creation. Option 3 suggests resizing a subnet to /15, but again, GCP doesn't allow resizing existing subnets. Option 5 would deploy to existing subnets, but they're too small for the required number of nodes. The only feasible approach is option 4, creating a new /15 subnet. This is the correct answer because it is the only option that actually works within GCP's constraints. You will need to create this subnet in a custom VPC or convert your default VPC to custom mode first, then add the new /15 subnet. This gives you a large number of available IP addresses, comfortably accommodating your tens of thousands of nodes with room for growth. Here's how you will implement this solution. First, if you are using the default VPC, you will need to switch it to custom mode. Then, you will create a new /15 subnet with an appropriate IP range. I will show you the exact gcloud commands to accomplish this. Pay attention to the IP range selection. You need to ensure it does not overlap with existing subnets. Remember, a /15 subnet is quite large, so plan your IP address space carefully. Best practices for large clusters. When deploying such a large cluster, there are several best practices to follow. Consider using private Google access to reduce external IP requirements, implement proper network policies for security, and plan for monitoring and logging at scale. Also, think about your cluster architecture. You might want to consider using multiple node pools or even multiple clusters for better management and fault isolation. Thank you for your attendance. Please consider subscribing to the channel.